Hi, greetings. This is Subramanian Chandramoli, author of 4 sales book and sales trainer. December 3rd and 4th, I am conducting a face-to-face workshop in Bengaluru exclusively for women entrepreneurs. The title of the workshop is Sales for Women Entrepreneurs. Sales itself is very challenging for entrepreneurs. For women, the challenge actually multiplies. In this 2-day workshop, we are going to discuss a lot of topics which is going to help you to do sales in an effortless manner. Some of the topics we are going to discuss are how to win the customer's heart in the first meeting itself by doing extraordinary preparation, how to generate leads without spending any money, how to follow up with your customers without irritating them, how many times you should follow up. We will answer all those questions. And when we talk about questions, how to ask transformational questions rather than transactional questions when you deal with customers. What are the 6 different personality type of customers? There are different buying centers in your corporate when you sell some product. It's not a one buyer. There are multiple buyers within your corporate when you send a proposal to them. How to handle each one of them and how to negotiate better. And what are the different ways to handle objections and how to close a deal. We are going to discuss different ways to close a deal. All these things we are going to discuss on this 2-day workshop on December 3rd and 4th in Bengaluru. Looking forward to meet you all. If you're interested to join, click the below link and register. So let's meet on December 3rd and 4th in Bengaluru.